Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a Rotisserie restored 1969 Ford XL GT two-door hardtop sports roof. It has the 429 4-valve V8 engine, the C6 select shift Cruise-O-Matic transmission, a 325 traction lock rear axle, and is painted in the original RavenBlack with WhiteClarion net vinyl bucket seat interior. All right, let's start here at the rear of the vehicle. So looking in the trunk here, you can see under the trunk lid, it's all nicely painted. It's got the correct badge there for your jack instructions. Inside the trunk, we got a nice big deep trunk. You can fit a lot of items in here. Over here we have a car cover that will come with it. You can see it's got the ledges on both sides here, the fire extinguisher. We got the spare tire in here, and it has the jack as well. And we got all kinds of documentation with this car, which is beautiful. So here's the Ford XL GT advertisement, and then we have the Marty report for this car and tells you how rare this car is. And then we also have a window sticker here of the car. So a well-equipped car. We have all the receipts for the restoration. Now the restoration part collection started in 2012, and I believe it was finished in 2014. We have a full book here with the restoration, so you can see the photos. There it is on the Rotisserie. All kinds of step-by-step procedures of the car. Going through the restoration, it won a Best in Show runner-up award there in Aurelia. And we'll close the trunk lid here now. And let's zoom out here, and you can see the roof. So beautiful black paint. There's your interior, and there's your sports roof design there. And you can see that big trunk lid here, and look at the paint. It is gorgeous. You can see all the reflections in the ceiling there. Coming back here, we have the XL badge right there, and that's underneath there is where your key goes to open your trunk. Really unique tail lights here, and you can see all the trim is beautiful. All the chrome was re-chromed when the restoration happened. We got the dual exhaust on both sides. Let's check underneath the car now. You can see it's all nice and beautifully clean there. There's your Ford 9-inch rear end. And you can see it's just beautiful under there. Okay, let's make our way to the wheels. So we got BF Goodrich radial TA tires on this car. Rear tire size is a 275/60 R15, which is just a perfect look on this car, in my opinion. We got the 15-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. I think it's a great look on this car. I just want to show you in the frame here under the fender wells. Everything looks great, nice and solid. The wheels over here. Here's your front wheel. So it's a 235/70 R15 in the front. So we got a nice staggered wheel pattern there. And I'll show you underneath the fenders there. Again, nicely painted. Let's make our way to the interior. So interior is all redone to original. The glass is all nice and clean and looks great. Here's your door panel. So again, done to original. We got power windows in this car. The nice wood grain here with the XL. You got the black armrest there. Here's your door latch there. Show you the dash over here. You can see the dash looks great as well. No rips or tears. Very sanitary. Now let's check out the rear seat now. So there's your rear seat. So it's got that beautiful knit design in the vinyl. All the seat belts are there. Here's your rear package tray there. It's got the speakers with the rear defrost. Show you the headliner. The headliner looks great as well. It's nicely stretched out. It's not sagging. The rear of the seat there, of that bucket. And I also want to show you underneath the door panel here. So underneath the door, you can see it's all solid, nicely painted. And then let's check out the jams here. Same thing. Your Ford kick plate looks like it's in great condition as well. Very solid car. All the carpet looks great, looks like new. We got some vents here. We got some auxiliary gauges here, so that was added. And then we have the glove box here. We also have some more goodies in the glove box. So we got the 1969 service specifications. Here's the original warranty document from Ford. I thought that was really cool. And then we have your stereo, and then we have the original owner's manual for this car. And it looks like he's got an additional one for the ear, because that one's just a little bit, the cover's a little messed up, so you got your choice there. Okay, here's your carpet. Nice spacious car. Seat belts, and let's check out this bucket seat. So all the foam is nice, feels great, and it's got a console as well. There's your shifter. Let's go ahead, actually let's put the windows down so you can see the power windows. They all work. All right, move nice and quick as well. And there's your hard top right there. So you see the windows down there, there's no posts. I can put my hand right through there. I love that look. Okay, let's start back here now. I'll show you from the back of the car. So here's your sports roof. There's your roof. And look at all this bright work, all this trim, beautiful. Dual mirrors. So you got mirrors on both sides. You can even see the door handles look like they're brand new. You got your XL badge right there. You got that beautiful C stripe here, reverse C stripe, and that's original to the car as well. You got a 429 badge down there. Nice little trim pieces here. And then you got your GT badge right in there. Let's come into the paint here, and you can see all the reflections in the background there. You can see that 66, the Thunderbird, and the Harley there, and we'll wave my hand in there. So just a beautiful, beautiful black paint scheme. Okay, coming to the front of the car. Let's check out underneath the hood. So right away you can see it has the hood liner, all painted and nicely detailed in here. Very correct. So it's a 429 4-valve V8 engine, and it was rated at 360 horsepower by the factory. Again, this one's paired to the C6 automatic transmission by Ford with the select shift cruise-o-matic transmission. You can see the battery, everything looks great. It's got the factory air conditioning, so all the components are there. We've got power steering as well. We've got the retractable headlights, so they're right back there. And we'll close the hood on this car. All right, let's check out the front here. Look at this beautiful grille. It's got the retractable headlights, so the headlights will retract there. We'll see them on in a bit. All the chrome looks great on the bumpers. Again, he spent a fortune just re-chroming the car. And this is back in 2014. It would even cost more now. The hood there looks great. Nice design in the hood. I'll tell you what, you take this to a car show, I bet you're the only 69 GT XL at the show, and in this condition as well. There's your wheels on this side here, and the wheel over here. All right, let's take our side to the door panel again. So the beautiful vinyl door panel. We got the remote mirrors here, so it works for the driver. Here's all your power windows on your driver's side here, your XL badge. And again, let's check underneath the doors. Show you the dash over here. It looks great. Love the design of the dash, wraps around the driver. And then your door jambs. Everything looks great there. Let's fold this bucket back. And you can see the seat belts and the seat, all the carpet in some great condition. We also have the overhead seat belts here. You can see them hanging, or just the lap belts. Pedals down there, they look great. And let's scan the driver's seat here. There we are. And let's hop in the car. All right. I think first thing I'm gonna do is gonna get the keys and fire it up. So here's your keys here. Still has keys, and turn it right over. All right, let's zoom out here. Actually, we'll zoom in first. So you got your stereo controls over here. So the driver gets dibs on stereo. Here's your speedometer, miles per hour. 80,629,000 miles. Obviously, we don't know, we can't stand behind if that's true mileage, but the restoration I think was done around 77,000, so only 3,000 kilometers on the restoration. We have a clock there. We got some lights there for seat belts, low fuel. Here's your stereo knobs. Here's your vents, your wiper controls. We got an aftermarket tack here so you can see it. You got a fuel gauge there, and then over here you get your lighter, your fan controls, and then your climate control system. Here's your steering wheel. So we got the nice 3-spoke design steering wheel. That's really cool with the circles in there. Up here you got your visors. They hold up nice and strong. Here's your mirror. Again, your vents over there with your gauges. Here's your console. So you got the XL here and that really cool horseshoe style shifter. Again, it's an automatic. These holes, I believe, are for your front seat belts. And then we have the console cover here. I'll open that up. And we got some space in there that you can put some stuff in there. All right, I'm gonna open the door up and I'm gonna turn on the lights. I'm gonna put the high beams on as well, and let's go to a couple revs. There you go, you can see that 429 is responsive. And let's make our way to the front, close that door. There's your headlights. So the headlights are retracted on now. Let's take a look underneath the car here. See, it looks great as well. All the suspension, everything looks great. Again, that beautiful black paint here. Let's take a look under the car right here. The axles painted up real nice as well. I'll show you, got that little bit of paint on there. Suspension looks great. One little mark here, just a little touch-up spot on the fender there. Otherwise, this is just a beauty of a car. Now let's come to the rear here. See those tail lights on. Listen to that exhaust idle here. What a beautiful, beautiful car. So, here we have it. This is a Rotisserie restored 1969 Ford XL GT 2-door hardtop sports roof. It's got the 429 big block with the C6 automatic, and you got your traction lock rear end, and it's painted in RavenBlack with the WhiteClarion net vinyl bucket seat interior. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.